I got my first job on Upwork without using my Connect to send proposals. You can get Upwork clients to come to you. Upwork has a search engine that allows clients to look for freelancers specific to the particular field of the job they need to be done for them, and then invite them to interview privately. That means you can get a job by getting clients to invite you to jobs instead of sending proposals. For my first job, I was invited for interview and then the job was awarded to me. By the way, my name is Beulah Olarinde. If this is the first time you are watching any of my videos, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel for more how-to and tutorial videos like this. You should check out my other videos as well. How to get Upwork clients to come to you. By now, you already have your account approved. If you need help with getting your account approved, check out this video on my channel here. The first tip to get Upwork clients to come to you is to optimize your profile. Add a profile picture. Have a clear job title. It should communicate exactly what you do. Add relevant work experience and portfolio items. Find a niche. Narrow down to one specific skill and focus. The marketplace today has become overcrowded. The more specific your skill, the better. For example, instead of positioning yourself as a general writer, you can decide to narrow down and focus on copywriting, or blogging, or creative writing, or ghostwriting, etc. Create specialized profile. Upwork allows up to 2 specialized profiles. Be online always. Set your profile to online. Therefore, when clients need to invite freelancers, they will see that you are online and will potentially reply to their job invite immediately or almost immediately. The green dot in your profile picture means you are active. The orange means you are online but idle. Gray means profile is invisible. Actively apply to jobs. While you wait for potential clients to send you an invite, apply to a select few jobs. It tells the algorithm that you are available for work. An active profile tends to stand out to potential clients than an inactive profile. Get a Rising Talent badge. Check out my video on how to get the Rising Talent badge. Check your stats by going to Find Work, My Stats menu. This will help you to know your profile visit statistics and help you update your profile and improve. Never give up. Don't bother about your submitted proposals and the declines. Nail your interview. It is very important. It is one thing to get invited, it is another thing to perform well during the interview. Keep learning. One way to learn is through trial and error. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.